Welcome all. Today's top breaking news with Gitanjali from Bayan Times. 1 month grace period to avail welfare schemes, says Andhra CM Jaganmohan Reddy. Chief Minister Y.S. Jaganmohan Reddy has directed officials to ensure that no eligible person is left out of any welfare scheme being implemented by the state government. During a review meeting on the implementation of welfare schemes held here on Friday, the Chief Minister said a month grace period was given for eligible persons to avail the scheme. He instructed the officials to verify the application and see to it that all eligible persons get the benefit. The various schemes implemented recently include YSR Vahan Mitra June 4, Jagannath Chaduru June 10, YSR Nethanna Nestam June 20, and YSR Kapu Nestam June 24. YSR Vahan Mitra was advanced by 4 months and YSR Nethanna Nestam by 6 months due to COVID-19 pandemic. Under YSR Nethanna Nestam, every weaver who owns a loom will be given financial assistance of 24,000. Due to COVID-19, the second phase assistance was given 6 months in advance. Any eligible person who did not get the benefit was urged to apply within a month. TDP Chief Chandrababu Naidu slams YSRC government for ill treatment of doctors. Accusing the YSRC government of pushing the state into a helpless situation, leader of opposition and TDP chief N. Chandrababu Naidu has slammed the government for not providing timely treatment for a doctor who died of coronavirus at Tenali in Guntur district. In a series of, Naidu said the Tenali doctor had pleaded for better treatment, but unfortunately no timely help was provided. He said that the sad state of affairs in Andhra Pradesh was evident from the letter sent by Government Doctors Association to the Chief Secretary stating that they would not be able to work in a place where there was no respect for the doctors. The Prakasam District Medical and Health Officer was made to stand for coming late for a review meeting. Anandpur DMHO was personally humiliated. The DMHOs of Srikakulam and Nellore were being forced to go on a leave, he alleged. 220 Gandhi Hospital nurses to boycott duties. Around 220 nurses working at Gandhi Hospital on an outsourcing basis will boycott duties from Saturday, demanding that their services at the state's dedicated COVID facility be regularized. On Friday morning, several outsourced nurses staged a dharna outside the office complex of Director of Medical Education (DME) Dr. K. Ramesh Reddy at Koti and submitted a representation to the DME stating their demands. Some of the nurses were detained by the police and were released later. The boycott of duty would increase work pressure on other nurses and healthcare staff at Gandhi Hospital, where over 700 COVID patients are being treated. Apart from the 220 nurses set to boycott duty, the hospital has around 140 nurses on payroll and 100 recently recruited outsourced nurses. The issue stems from a recent development wherein the state government had recruited nurses on an outsourcing basis at Gandhi Hospital with a salary of 25,140 per month for staff nurses and 29,760 for head nurses. Visakhapatnam reports 148 new COVID-19 cases. Upward trend in the number of positive cases continued in Vizag district as 148 cases, highest spurt of new cases in a single day till now, were reported. With this, total number of positive cases till now in the district has gone up to 1,955. P.V. Sudhakar, North Andhra COVID-19 Special Officer and Andhra Medical College Principal in a statement said that this is the sixth time till now that more than 100 cases have been reported in the district. There are now 960 active cases in the district and 980 persons were discharged from hospital after treatment. The district administration on Friday notified 27 more active clusters, taking the total to 281. There are 115 very active clusters and 166 active clusters, while 39 clusters are denotified. There are 89 dormant clusters. The new clusters are Garikam, Gudivada, Gundala, Jewel Paradise, Yendada, Komaravolu, Korupolu, Lankepalam, Mulenaidupalam, Sabbavaram, Patabi Reddy Gardens 2, Vemulavalasa, Srinivas Nagar, Sriram Nagar Colony, and Joes Colony, Gokul Nagar, Durga Nagar, Old Adivivaram, TV Tower Road, Gosala Up Road, Gandhi Nagar, NAD Layout, Kapuvidi, Old Gopalpatnam, Buchirajupalem, Nagendra Colony, Sai Nagar Kothapalem and Kakani Nagar. COVID-19. Andhra's Srikakulam town comes under lockdown. Lockdown was enforced in Srikakulam by district administration. For the power of general public, lockdown was enforced in Ichapuram, Palasa, Mandasa, Tekali, Narsannapeta, Ranasthalam, Rajam and Srikakulam. It may be noted that more than 100 corona positive cases are reported daily in the district for the past few days. As many as 960 cases have been reported till now. A day after lockdown was enforced in Tekali, divisional headquarters of Tekali, District Collector J. Nivas was approached by Palasa MLA Sideri Appalaraju and Rajam MLA Kambala Chogulu appealing for a lockdown in their respective assembly segments. When 7 of a family contracted the virus at Tekali, the officials enforced lockdown in Tekali. Srikakulam MP Kinjarapu Ram Mohan Naidu wrote to the collector requesting reimposition of the same in Srikakulam too. Keeping in view the surge in COVID-19 cases in the district, we have decided to enforce partial lockdown in Srikakulam town, Nivas said. Shops should remain shut after 1 p.m., he said. With this, we conclude with our today's news headlines. For more such latest news and updates, like, share and subscribe Bayan Times.